Howdy. I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs on one of these bad boys. So what I'm going to go over is how to change a spark plug, what a spark plug is, and yeah, let's hop to it. So for those of you who don't know what a spark plug is, this is what a spark plug is. And what it does is that you got a cable that hooks up to this end and gives it like an electrical connection, and then it causes a spark at this end, which is screwed into the cylinder head, and when it sparks, there's gasoline in there, which causes an explosion, which makes the engine run. And there's, well, should be one right here, and there's also one over here on this side too. So basically, because it's the V-twin, it's got two cylinders, so it's one spark plug per cylinder. The definition of a spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from an ignition system to the combustion chamber of a spark ignition engine to ignite compressed fuel/air mixture by an electronic spark while containing combustion pressure within the engine. The materials you're going to need are possibly a pair of gloves, your two new spark plugs, which are NGK Platinum, an extension, a spark plug wrench or socket, a ratchet, and some dielectric grease. The reason that you'll need dielectric grease is because it makes a better electrical connection, which means that the spark is going to be better. Alright, the first step that you're going to want to do is remove the boot. This is what leads to the coil, which causes a spark. It's probably hard to tell, but those two round things right up there, that is the coil. There's one for that side wire, and then there's one for this side. And now you're going to want to take your 5/8 spark plug wrench, or 16 millimeter, and you're going to want to slide it on and start loosening it up. Alright, so now that you've got your old one out, you're going to take your new one, and you're going to put this piece right here, and you're just going to put a little dab of dielectric grease on it. And if you wanted to see what a spark plug looked like when it was sparking up, basically what you do is you just stick it in the boot and you touch it to a metal surface and you hit the starter. Now you're going to take your new spark plug and you're going to hand tight screw it into back into this spark plug hole. So once you get it hand tight, you're going to switch that to R for righty, which is tighty. And you're just going to start give it down until it's tight. And then once it gets tight, you're going to give it a half a turn and it's done. Alright, and just to wrap it off, you just slide the boot and then you'll hear these nice little clicks. And it's all done on this side. Same process on this side. You're going to slide the boot off and you're going to set it to loosen. You're going to break it loose. Make sure you put your electric grease on there. And we hand tight, screw it back in. And then when you're done tightening it down all the way, you take the boot and you slide it over and you listen for the clicks. And that's all to it. It's all pretty simple if you have a basic understanding of tools and a pretty good idea of what you're doing. And that's all.